Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog and today we're opening the February Pipsticks pack. So if you're new to my channel and or to the Pipsticks videos in general, Pipsticks is basically a sticker subscription. Every month you get either, I think 15 or, I have to say this correctly, 7 sheets in a fun little envelope, and I open these with you guys every month, at least until now, because I actually got the pack every month. So because I am a huge sticker lover, I have to admit I already filmed 3 videos today. Just got back from my grocery shopping, so I'm a little bit sweaty, but I opened my mailbox and I found this colorful envelope, which meant that it was time for another unboxing video. Now I could have also done this on another day, which probably would have been a good idea, seeing as I'm not 100% feeling great and I'm also already really tired, but I was just too excited to leave this closed. Now I could give you guys a story about how my channel is really important to me. You guys are really important to me. The support I've been getting from all of you really means the world to me, and that is why I want to film these as quickly as possible and also upload a lot of fun content to my channel as often as possible. But if I'm completely honest, I also just wanted to film this because I cannot leave this closed. I'm always so excited about these Pipsticks things that or Pipsticks or Paper Gang or PO Box mail in general, that I don't want to leave it closed for too long. Now, before I start the video, I do want to say this. I do want to start with a disclaimer. As always, I am not getting sponsored by Pipsticks. Pipsticks, as far as I know, has no clue that I'm doing these videos. My cat just managed to open her food drawer in the background and I'm going to have to close that. Who would put me down? So what was I saying? I do not get sponsored by Pipsticks. My Pipsticks pack is the same as everyone else's. They don't change it, they don't make it extra special just because they make these videos. Then I also want to say that I would normally pay for these with my own money. I would pay for them myself, but Pipsticks, just like the Paper Gang boxes, works with this referral program. That means that if you guys use my referral link, which I always leave in the description box down below, Pipsticks rewards me with credit. And if I get 3 of you guys to sign up using my referral code, I get 1 pack for free, which happened again this month. So no, I didn't pay for this. It is basically Pipsticks' way of saying thank you for promoting our sticker packs. So, not sponsored, but not paid for either, but that doesn't change my opinion. As always, all opinions are my own. I am going to take you through the pack. I'm going to open it, I'm going to show you, I'm going to pick out each sticker sheet one by one, give you my honest opinion, and I will also show you close-ups. Here we go. I'm going to open this. I do have to say one thing, and that is that since I think a few weeks or a month or something, I have been in the Pipsticks sticker Facebook group. I don't remember what it's called, but you can find it, I think, if you type in Pipsticks at Facebook. I have been in that group and I got a little spoiler. Usually, because you can use that group to trade and swap stickers, which I thought would be fun, but for now I'm just a silent watcher. But what was I saying? Usually people don't post pictures of the sticker sheets, and I have not seen any of the sticker sheets so far. The only thing that was kind of spoiled for me was that someone asked a question about there not being a puffy sticker in the pack, and I can also feel now that I have it in my hands that there is no puffy sticker in there, which makes me very sad, because that was actually something I got really excited about when I opened the packs. The puffy sticker was usually the most exciting thing, so I'm really sad it's not in there, but maybe they have replaced it with something else that is kind of cool. Like always, we have the pack of stickers, we have the Pippi magazine, we have the postcard. This time it is traveling mail. What you can do is, okay, so basically what you would do is you would draw something in there, write your name and location, send it to the next person, then they would draw something in there, put their name and location, and then in the end you would have a postcard with 12 different countries, which would be pretty cool. Maybe I could do that for subscriber mail actually. I might actually do that. So now I'm going to grab the first sticker sheet, and then after, yeah, I don't know, let's get started. Like I said, I did not actually see any of the sheets, so I don't know what this month's theme is, but I can see on the envelope that we have a little bit of a stationery theme going on. First one I grabbed, oh, I love it! This actually, I actually love. I always love, first of all, the colors of these sakura flowers, and then also the cats. I mean, this sheet, I don't usually buy cat stickers, but if I had to buy cat stickers, it would be these. Sakura leaves, or cherry blossom leaves, and cats. How adorable is that? And then also what I really like about these is that they again have some sort of a papery feel, which for some reason I really like about in stickers. Okay, quickly, because the sun is going down, the next sheet I grab is this one. It's a realistic looking sushi sticker sheet, which is not really my style. In last month we also had a sushi sticker sheet, but then they were drawn little sushis, and I like that better than the realistic looking ones. But even though I don't like it myself, I know that probably someone else might actually love these. Let me know in a comment down below what is your favorite sticker sheet, and if you would love to receive the sushi ones. Ooh, this I actually love. This is a Pipsticks original. This is indeed the design that is also on the front. We have fountain pens, we have washi tape rolls, we have scissors, we have staplers, we have paper clips. I absolutely love this. This is totally my style. I quite like the colors as well, and what it has. And something that I also like about the new Pipsticks sticker sheets is that they have been divided, as you can see, into 4 parts. So you can actually cut them in 4 or in 2 or whatever, and you can share these little mini sticker sheets with others. So I could put them in subscriber mail, but I think I actually want to keep them myself. This is the holographic sheet of the month. Each month we get a holographic sticker sheet. I have to admit, I don't actually think I ever used the holographic stickers, so I'm getting quite a nice collection so far. But these unicorn ones are nice and sparkly. Again, I could cut this into 4 and I could make 4 people happy with some holographic stickers. I think I would do that rather than use them myself, because I'm afraid that they would just stay in my stash, although they are kind of cool. Then this one has been looking at me. Oh, it's like a cinema themed sheet. There are these see-through stickers. We have popcorn, cinema, chips, some burgers. It kind of reminds me of, like, maybe not the cinema, but more like one of those old cafe diners. I quite like this. I could see myself use this, but I also might gift it to someone else, because I don't know if you guys realize this yet, but I do use a lot of the sticker sheets that I won't use myself. I give them away in subscriber mail. So if you ever send me something and you have a preference, feel free to let me know, and you might just end up getting that sheet. Then next up, I hope this is not the replacement for the puffy sticker, because the puffy sticker is way cooler than that. But we have kind of, again, a holographic sheet with scissors. Now, while this doesn't really excite me at first sight, I could really see how this would be very cute in like a crafty themed mail. Or to tell your pen pal they have to cut something open, I don't know. I could see myself use that, so I might end up keeping it. Then we have this paper sticker, which I do like the paper, but I don't really know. This is basically address labels. So I could totally use that for mail, but they are a little bit boring. They are these black and white to and from stickers, and then we have a couple of doodles in the bottom. But I'm thinking, because they're paper, I could totally color them in and make them a little bit more fun. But you guys do know that I always love address labels, so I'm definitely going to use them. we have this little, this little hedgehog sheet. Definitely keeping this myself. This is so adorable. We have tons of hedgehogs and then 2 little mushrooms. I'm going to put these in my fall crafting stash, as I think they are absolutely adorable. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're wondering why these fingers are slightly orange, it is because I cooked with turmeric, or kurkuma in Dutch. I'm going to make a curry and that shit changes the colors of your fingers. Oh no, this is absolutely adorable. This definitely matches the previous sheet. I'm so excited about these. These are Mailbox themed stickers. We have a couple of envelopes, a lot of mailboxes, a mailman van, I should say, and then these really pretty ones that say "You've got mail." I'm so sorry you guys, but I'm not going to share these. I'm absolutely keeping these myself. This would be so cool to put either in my planner to next to the little list I make for outgoing mail or incoming mail, or I could use these on envelope because I absolutely love these. Grab the next sheet. Ooh, another Pipsticks. This one is a little bit less my style. But I still love it. These are books. I don't know why I love it less, because the colors are kind of similar to the other ones, but for some reason it just doesn't speak to me as much. But this is a sticker sheet with books, all different books. Again, just like the other ones, you can cut them in 4 and share 4 little individual sticker sheets. I quite like this, but I don't know yet if I will be, maybe I will keep one of the 4 sheets myself and then gift the other 3 away, because they are quite cute, but I'm afraid I'm not going to use them all, and that would be kind of a waste. And we have this, which is, oh, that's adorable. This is so cute. I would never have thought, if you would have described this to me, that I would like it, but it is a little French Paris themed otter doing various activities such as painting, wearing a little beret, cooking, eating a croissant, cycling, and then we have a lot of Paris themed items such as the Eiffel Tower and the French flags. I am again doubting between keeping it myself and gifting it, because I think it would make such a cute gift, but I don't know if I would be able to part with it. I love how many Pipsticks original sheets they're making these days. And then this is the vinyl or vinyl, I still don't know how to say it, sticker we have this month. This absolutely adorable vinyl, I don't know, sticker from a Mailbox again. I am going to put this on a journal because I've been trying to find a way to keep track of all the subscriber mail I send. I just keep forgetting to write things down, but I have sent out so many and I would like to keep track of that. So I'm going to dedicate a journal to that, and then I'm going to put this one probably on the cover. Their sheet with kittens as far as I can see. Oh my goodness, this is actually quite adorable. We have all of these little kittens. Most of them are like these famous cat images from the internet, such as this one. The cat with the glasses, I've seen that so many times. These are really cute, and they're actually cute because they are so bad, like they're kind of cheesy, but that actually makes them really fun. So I think I'm going to keep this one myself because I could see myself use these on mail for sure. Then I think we're almost at the end. But judging by the shape, this is again a Pipsticks original. Oh my gosh. This is basically the first thing that I have to think about when I see this is Madagascar. Madagascar, I don't know how you call it in English, but that movie about the animals on the island where you have King Julian is his name, I think, or at least that's his name in Dutch. The monkey who does the I like to move it dance and song. That's the first thing that comes to my mind. And I can see here that it is Pipsticks, but it says Sonia Cavallini, so I think the designer is Sonia Cavallini. Really like these. I do like the animals, the koala of course, but I especially again like the botanical items as well. These beautiful little branches and leaves and the butterflies, really my style for next month. And then this is already the last sheet. I've had a blast, I have to admit. I'm really glad I opened this, and it's again by the same designer, I think, Sonia Cavallini, and she made more of those beautiful botanical drawings. This is actually the color scheme. I preferred a little bit more pastel, but other than that, this is so my style. The beautiful leaves and branches and flowers. Yay, this is the stuff I like. So that's really, really cute. I have to admit, I am loving, I actually quite love yeah, this month's pack. I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. Okay, so there's 15 in there now, or 15. I will have to check that, but I'm a little bit sad there's no puffy sticker. There is the beautiful vinyl sticker. This is probably the first one I actually really like. But yeah, so far I quite like this. I would have to say my favorite sheets are the Mailbox one and this one from Sonia Cavallini. But I also really like the vinyl sticker, and I have to say there's only one sheet I would actually give away. This one with the sushi is not my style, and then this one with the cafe items, maybe also not. And then maybe the holographic, but other than that, I actually love all of them, which is probably a first. So I'm now going to check the Pippi magazine, and I will, oh my gosh, I will tell you about the giveaway. Confetti suitcase, wow. No, I don't want a sneak peek. What are they doing? Do they always do that? They put a sneak peek here. I'm going to cover this up. I don't want a sneak peek. I don't even like the sneak peek. That's stupid. Don't do that, Pipsticks. But okay, January's winning number. Let me check. No, I did not win. That would be kind of crazy if I won again, but I did start with the right numbers, so that's kind of cool. I'm going to use this ticket to decorate now, and I am going to conclude this video here. Let me know in the comment down below which was your favorite sticker sheet, which was your least favorite, what you would use them for, and I don't know, tell me all about your day. I always love reading comments. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.